Tell me, what breed is this? A computer can tell. And how did this happen? Computers can now see. Yes, just like we do, this is possible through computer vision. Hello, I'm Vandana Nair, your very own analytics guru. So what exactly is computer vision? It's a form of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning and neural networks to teach computers and systems how to extract meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. When they detect defects or issues, they can provide recommendations or take action. Just as you and I see and understand the world, machines can do almost the same through computer vision. If LLMs give computers the ability to think, computer vision gives them the ability to see and understand. For us humans, seeing and understanding are very natural processes, but for computers, understanding visual data is quite challenging. This is where computer vision comes in. It trains machines to understand visual data, but much faster with the help of cameras, data, and algorithms. So how does computer vision actually work? There are two important technologies behind it: deep learning and convolutional neural networks, CNN. Deep learning algorithms create models that recognize patterns in visual data. If they are fed enough data, they can learn to identify differences in images on their own. CNN further aids this process. It breaks down images into pixels and then performs mathematical operations to understand their patterns. This process repeats until the computer starts making accurate predictions. In this way, computers begin to understand images somewhat like humans do. We can recognize faces like how your mobile phone unlocks when it recognizes you, read license plates, find objects in an image, or even create a summary of a photo. Computer vision has many other applications such as image classification, object detection, and image retrieval. These help in finding and using specific images from large data sets. In the future, computer vision will become even more advanced. There will be even more interesting real-world applications. Imagine if your car could drive itself without a driver, or if your doctor could instantly and easily detect diseases in MRI scans. All this is possible because of computer vision. Self-driving cars can recognize objects on the road and make the right decisions to avoid them. Similarly, in medical imaging, computer vision can help doctors quickly diagnose diseases and provide better treatment for patients. Industries also make extensive use of computer vision. The trained system can analyze thousands of products or processes and identify defects that might be missed by the human eye. This greatly aids in quality control and efficiency. It might even help in recognizing crimes or in making robots smarter and more human-like. The possibilities are endless. Now you understand what computer vision is and how it's changing our world, whether it's healthcare, the automotive industry, or even simple tasks in daily life. And in the coming years, this technology will advance even further, bringing new ways to simplify our lives. What do you think will be the most exciting use case for computer vision in the future? Be sure to let us know in the comments. And if you have any feedback or there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please tell me that too. If you like this video, share it and subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting topic. Until then, keep learning.